Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this outline text effect on CapCut PC. So go to text and select add text and add in your default text. I'm just going to leave it like so, and I'm going to also change the font, and I'm going to use this as the maybe I should use this one because the background is pretty light. So I'm just going to use this one. You can also adjust the outline of it here, like the thickness of it, if you want it super thin or if you want it kind of thick. Adjust the text a little bit, right click on the text, create compound clip. Go to video, go to basic and select the darken blend mode if your outline is in black, but if your outline is in the white color, you're just going to choose either brighten or screen. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!